So hello everyone, myself Asha Rathod. I'm deal with the topic difference between academic writing and non-academic writing. These are my academic information. The hypothesis: academic writing and non-academic writing differ fundamentally in their purpose, structures, tone, and audience. While academic writing prioritize objective, evidence-based argument and formal language to contribute to scholarly discourse. Non-academic writing embrace a more flexible, subjective, and engaging style tailored to a general audience. These distinctions influence how information is conveyed, the degree of critical analysis involved, and the expectation of clarity, credibility, and logical coherence in both forms. Research question is that how do the structural, stylish, and rhetoric difference between academic and non-academic writing impact the way knowledge is constructed, communicated, and received across various fields of discourse? Basically, what is a writing process? Did you know what writing shape the way we think? The writing process is a way that processing that it's not about that putting words on the paper, but it's a powerful tool for communication and knowledge preservation. And Florian Kalmes argued that writing is the most consequent technology ever invented, inability humanity to store and transmit knowledge across generation. Writing is not just a way to record speech, and it has its own structure and logic, but influencing how we perceive and organize the language. What is academic writing? That academic writing is a formalized system of communication that adheres to structured conversation within different disciplines. The evolution of academic writing has been influenced by philosophical discourse and historical development, and the institutionalization of research. And academic journals include essay, research papers, dissertation, treatise, and general articles, each with a distinct function and expectation. Philosophical writing, like as Derrida and Rotary, exploring that how writing constructed knowledge, and peer review standardizes formatting, and scholarly discourse contribute the credibility and authority of academic writing. Challenges in academic writing include the use of complex jargon and maintaining clarity and engaging critical with exciting literature. uh, writing is like a writing style used by that people that in academic writing that used by scholar and researchers and professionally that. And this is a type of target reader who attend or work in school and college and university or research institute, such as a student, professor, and research. And writing is one of the first skills that students learn from a school. And writing is the major mode of communication, is a goal to present ideas clearly so that others can learn from and build on them. So importance of good academic writing. So for the good academic writing, the writers can focus on the tone, that how we use the tone and punctuation, and the language, that it is hard on easier, and academic convention, and evidence based argument, and complexity, and higher order thinking. Example of academic writing that academic writing for research paper, like argumentative essays, literature review, critical analysis, case studies, report writing, stronger thesis statement that improve logically professional and topic relationship, and added cohesive devices. And other side, what is non-academic writing? That non-academic writing is instead for general audience rather than scholar and researchers. It's often more subjective and impressional and personal in nature. Here, non-academic writing is used for general people, and in making by emotional and don't use any citation and research. And unlike academic writing and academic non-academic writing does not require extensive research and citation and references. And the structure of a non-academic writing is more flexible compared to academic writing, because it does not follow a radius format and using like is putting on personal opinion in that. And this is something creative writing. And non academic writing is less formal and often include humor, like figurative language and emotion appeals. We can see that fictional books that is non-academic writing. For the example, that we can see that newspaper, magazine, and blog spot and social media content and personal essay, memoirs, and fiction, and poetry, and advertising and marketing copy. These are the example of non-academic writing. So, what is the difference between academic writing and non-academic writing? So, both are differ mainly purpose, tone, structure, and audience. So, as academic writing is a formal and structure based and research based, like uh, structure, like first introduction, then background, methodology, and conclusion. Like these are the academic writing structure used by. And in that using of citation and references are casual to support claims, making the writing evidence based, as we see in example of research paper, dissertation, and journal article. And non-academic writing is informal and personal. It's not followed any. It does not require a strict structure and citation. And writers use colloquial language and personal opinion and figurative express in this non-academic writing, like blogspot, newspaper article, and creative writing. So the key difference is that academic writing is meant for scholar and professional, and non-academic writing is for general readers. Here are the chart of that mainly focus on readers, that academic writing for academics, that for using of academic writing, and non-academic writing readers as family and friends. And content, academic writing use of serious thought, and non-academic writing in context that we can see that conversation. And as we see that style, that complex sentence is using of academic writing, and non-academic writing is mostly simple and not is joined by conjunction, that. And like conjunction like that, such as, and, or, but. These are the conjunction used in the, non-academic writing. And academic writing organized by clear and well planned, because of using of citation. And non-academic writing is not as clear as organized, less likely that. And academic writing in vocabulary, that technique, and academic language use accuracy, and non-academic writing is use of short form, idioms, and slang. So, in conclusion, that writing is a formal and structure and research based, and non-academic writing is informal, flexible, and personal ended. And it's follows the strict rule, including citation and logical argument. Whether non-academic writing is expressive, engaging, and does not require any citation. So both styles serve different purpose. That academic writing is for knowledge advancement, and non-academic writing are creating on public communication. Here are my learning outcome, that how we understand the writing style. That I learned key different of both of that different, that academic and non-academic writing, that including their structure, tone, and purpose. And importance of audience awareness, how audience see that realize that choosing the right writing style depend on the target audiences, that how